When we're creating a product, we design it the best that we can. And even if we design it the best that we can, using the best process and methodology and the best team, it's not always going to be perfect. It's very possible when you're creating a new product or revising an existing product to do something in the design that actually might make it a little bit hard to use or a little bit less engaging. Now, we don't do that on purpose, but it just happens and we may not realize it. So why run the risk of bringing a product to the market and releasing it without testing it first to make sure that it is usable, that it is engaging, that it is what the users of the product expect, and that it's going to meet the goals that you have as the owner of the product. And that's what user testing does for you. It's a quick and effective way for you to test out designs before you develop them and before you release them. And in this course on user testing, you're going to learn everything there is to know about how to plan and prepare and conduct a user test. Here's some of the things that you're going to learn in this course. We're going to talk about what actually is a user test and what isn't a test. Sometimes people do different activities and they think they're doing user testing, but actually they're not. Why it's important to do a user test, what you should be testing, who you should be testing, and how many people should you test. The whole process of user testing, we're going to talk about preparing for a test, planning for it, deciding on your tools and your environment. We're going to talk about actually running the test. How does that work? How do you prepare your product or your prototype so that the test will work right? How do you write task instructions and scenarios so that you're really testing what you want to test? You're getting the data, the answers you want. How to collect data, which data to collect, how to analyze and interpret and report on the results of the user test. That's what we're going to cover in this course. You're going to learn about user testing from A to Z, and when you're done, you'll be ready to plan, prepare, run, and report on your own user tests.